Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how can you use the boundary blend. Okay, actually uh, where we are going to use it. So we are going to connect a surface with the help of two profiles. So let me show it right now. Let me choose the front plane, max sketch. This time I'm going to draw an S-line. Okay, right now what I'm going to do is actually to add a plane at a distance of this much, and I will sketch on this plane as well, right? And what I'm going to do is actually to draw an SP line on this plane as well. So I have run two SP lines. Okay, one is this one and the other one is this one. Right now I will click on the boundary blend. Okay, and what I'm going to do is actually just press and hold the control key, and I have selected the one and I will select the other one as well. So actually what, look at this. Okay, look at this. But remember one thing, the points that you see over here, you can control the surface dragness from here as well, right? So this is how you can use the boundary blend. Okay, and a lot of things over here where actually you can see them by yourself. Curves, nothing in curves, and control points. Okay, and you can see a lot of things over here by yourself. So hopefully you like this video, how can you use the boundary blend and creo parametric. Okay, so if you like this video, so please give me one like. Thanks for watching.